All right, 4Runner people. So here's a before, right? I'm gonna show you these Carhartt seat covers, the seat savers, what they look like, so you get a better idea. In case you're interested in buying them, stay tuned. They've got separate headrest covers, so let me do those first. Be right back. All right, so you can put in the make and model and get some specifically for the 3rd gen, I believe. But just so you guys know, this set that I have is actually for 2011 through 2014, I think. I'll just demo these and to show you that you can probably get away with some of the other models that aren't exactly for the 3rd gen. So for what it's worth, here's the headrest cover, so get it on there. There's the back, you know, and then it's just one. It's really simple. It's just one Velcro attachment there. While I'm here, I just want to say that this is actually nylon. This is like Cordura nylon. It's not cotton duck like the pants. More durable and longer lasting. So this is, just so you know, it's all nylon. I'll link everything down below. Carhartt also makes a universal seat cover. Those come in a few additional colors. These come in gray, Carhartt brown, and black. The universal ones come in a bit more color choices, but the skirting always turns to black around the seat. So no matter what color you get, you'll have like a black skirt and then like a black sort of back. The universal ones also don't have a seat back pocket, whereas the custom fit seat savers do. It's not super big. It's like 9 by 15 or something, but it is nice to have a pocket riveted. It's classic Carhartt stitching, you know, double stitched and triple stitched on the inside, depending on the seam. So let me get this cover on, show you what it looks like. All right, so these are already looking real nice. Popped my headrest in just to get my holes aligned. While I have you here, these two little like wrapped foam rolls are real nifty because they actually stick in the crease between the seat part and the back part. And so this will wedge the seat cover and cam it in there so it doesn't slip forward. So that's a nice touch. So you just press those in into the crease. And that's gonna hold it. So they're already looking super nice. So let me finish this up. The skirt is just, it's all Velcro. It's really nice. It's just solid, big patches of Velcro. There's no strings or ties or anything like that. So it's really simple. There is elastic on this front. All right, so I brought my headrest down, and so far the fit is pretty much perfect. You can see in the back, here's my pocket. So you got your elastic here with your male part of the Velcro, and that's gonna come around the side here. It's gonna come around the back. And it's gonna attach to the female patch of Velcro on the back. So, like I said, these aren't specific for the 3rd gen. So there's a block right here. It's gonna hide my passenger seat controls here. So, you know, it's a trade-off, but it's not a big deal. Like, you can still, even with this clipped, you can feel the buttons through the seat cover. To me, that's not a big deal. Here's the fit. I'll go in and I'll smooth everything out, like tuck things in and make everything real nice and perfect, but these are pretty nice, I'll be honest. It's nice and thick. Here's just like some random mossy oak ones that I got from a truck that they were just in the truck that I bought a long time ago. But you've got like, it's probably nylon, you know, polyester or nylon or something, different materials, just kind of random stuff. They're not bad, but it's definitely more of my taste, my style. Just all one solid material, just beefy stitching. You get a perfect fit. And I really like that you can't pull out the back like I'm tugging, but those foam wedges really hold the back in. Like you can feel them pop all the way through. Pretty spiffy. Check out the links down below. I'll link everything down below. I'll link the universal ones, and I'll link the page that'll take you right to the seat savers. You can look and see if they have your model. Definitely the way to go. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Peace.